engine of automobile. This engine is manufactured by the Hindustan Motors, a well-known company in West Bengal, India. Now, this engine is a 4-cylinder engine and it is a diesel engine. Now, how this engine operates, I will see. Just we open the front side of the engine. Here we can see that there is a 8 spring is there. Now, both the spring for each cylinder. These two spring is for first cylinder. One spring is adjusted with the inlet valve and another is for outlet valve. Now, in the rear side, you can see there is a 2 column. Now, this column is connected to the camshaft, and according to the cam profile, this can move up and down. And according to this movement, the inlet and outlet valve is open according to the measurement. Now, this each two cylinder is for particular engine. Now, if we rotate the crankshaft, then we can see just the up and down of this spring. How? Now, we just open the total system of the front let. This is the total system. A bar is there, and for each cylinder there is a 2 arm which can be crawl in front side and back side according to the cam profile. Now, this cam connecting rod is connected to the camshaft. Here is a conical shape which is attached to the cam profile, and this rod moves up and down and just control the movement of the inlet and outlet valve. Let we remove all the spring. Now, if we open the system, then we can find out there is a 4 cylinder of each volume is same. Now, there is a system that if this is the 1 cylinder, then 1 and 4 is comes down or up simultaneously, and the remaining 2, that is 2 and 3, is come simultaneously because the uniformity of the torque. Now, if we rotate, we can see how this work done. So this is the total arrangement of a Hindustan Motors automobile engine. Thank you. This presentation was done by the students and faculty of the Regent Institute of Science and Technology Automobile Engineering Lab.